Today we are taking a look at the newly launched Realme 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus smartphone. This phone are first in the number series to come with periscope telephoto sensor, and they pack some serious specs for the price. 6.7-inch curved OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. This display is super smooth and perfect for gaming and watching video. Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 or 6th Gen 1 processor. These are the powerful processors that can handle even most demanding tasks. Up to 128GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. 50 megapixel primary camera, 32 megapixel telephoto camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Takes stunning photo. Realme 12 Pro Plus also has 120x super zoom and 5000 mAh battery with 6 to 7 watt fast charging. The Realme 12 Pro start at Rs 25,999 and Realme 12 Pro Plus start at Rs 29,999. These phones are available for purchase now from Realme website and retail store. So what do you think? The Realme 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus? I think they are great phone for the price, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone looking for a powerful and affordable smartphone.